In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add bullet points in Gmail. Whether you're capturing the highlights of a meeting, organizing thoughts succinctly, or simply want to make your emails more readable, learning this feature will elevate your Gmail usage and help you communicate more clearly. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, click on the Compose button to start a new email. This will open a fresh email window where you can begin drafting your message. Here, enter the recipient's email address in the To field if you already know who you're sending the email to, or leave it for later. For the purposes of this demonstration, focus on the body of the email, where you'll be adding those bullet points. In the blank space provided, you'll see a toolbar right above the message area. This toolbar contains several formatting options to help you customize your message. If it isn't already visible, click on the A icon, which will reveal all the formatting tools available to you. Look for the icon that resembles a bulleted list. It usually looks like 3 vertical dots followed by horizontal lines. Click on this icon to activate the bullet point feature. Now you're ready to start listing your points. Simply type your first item and hit enter. Gmail will automatically create a new bullet point for the next line. Continue adding your subsequent points using the same process. If you need to adjust something, simply use the backspace key and Gmail will automatically manage the bullets for you. When you want to stop the list, press enter twice or click away from the bulleted section. This allows you to continue writing normally and intersperse bullet points with regular text, making your email organized, clear, and visually appealing. Additionally, don't forget about the other formatting features Gmail offers. You can bold important points, italicize key terms, change the font style or size, or even alter text color to make certain elements stand out. Using these tools together with bullet points enhances readability and ensures your message is easy to digest. Bullet points are especially useful for instructions, checklists, or step-by-step guides as they draw attention to important items and prevent your email from looking cluttered. They help the reader quickly scan and understand the key information without missing anything important. So that's it. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.